It's easier to build strong children than broken men. What's up, G4M gang? We are going to be doing this one a little differently today. We are showing our young black kings that they too can be pampered and have above the rim hygiene and get manicures the same as we can. This video features my youngest black king in my life. This is my baby boy, BJ. He is 2, going on 22. But yeah, so just sit back and relax. I'm not going to do too much talking in this one. All lives matter. Every last life that is within my family, my bloodline, my loved ones definitely matter to me. He means the world to me. So without further ado, leave a like if you like it. Share the video. Please subscribe if you have not done so already. And drop a rainbow and a heart. We're going to go ahead and hop into this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. All right. Bye-bye. Manicure. So I'm not sure how many of you have little people, but my little person here, BJ, okay, I'm gonna King BJ. BJ is like, he's my best friend. He's one of my little best friends. He is very, very energetic. So if you can only imagine, this was definitely a journey. This was super exciting. Before we started, we did start with cleansing his hands. He has gotten into the habit of not wanting to use a bar of soap or the pump. He loves hand sanitizer. So we did cleanse our hands and our fingernails with hand sanitizer. I am using my ball bit to clean around the cuticles. I didn't push them back, not much, besides a wood stick, there wasn't much to do. So I'm just cleansing up his cuticles, cleaning them up, any dead skin or, all that gooky kitty stuff that they do, that he does. He's his own action figure. I'm getting that up as you can see it, just rolling off here. So I did all 8 fingers and 2 thumbs, which was very exciting. All right, so I'm not sure how many moms or dads or grandmas or family members have done this before, but I do have 4. This is my 4th. I'm used to biting their fingernails off when they were younger. I was just so afraid to use the nail clipper, even the tiny people nail clipper. It freaked me out. I didn't want to cut my babies, so I bit them off. So what I did here, I pretty much just filed it down with the lowest grade grit nail file. Here you see me just taking a little needle bit, and I am going over his nails. Normally what I would do is use the sandy bit, but yeah, like I said, you get done what you can when you can. So this one isn't done in order, but there is no specific order on how to pamper our young men, our loved ones, whoever. They are very active. There is no order. Just do what you do. Just get it done. All right. So I have gone ahead, gotten in there with the skipper bit, and I am again cleaning our fingernails to make sure I've gotten everything up out of there. And he had fun. Just to let you know, even though it may look like I'm a little aggressive, this is sped up because it was just very hard to keep him still in one spot. But I did speed it up just for excuse me, time's sake purposes. It is not going that fast. As a matter of fact, you'll see him play with the sanding band bit. That just lets you know how fast it's literally probably like not even moving. So yeah, no little people were harmed in the making of this tutorial. So here I'm using my sanding band. It is, I think, the lowest that they make. But you know, it's doing the job. He enjoyed it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean around the cuticles. I am going kind of sideways just to get around what I missed with anything else. Yeah. And after I've gone ahead and wrapped up with the sanding band, I'm going to go ahead and dust him off with this soft brush that he likes to play with so much. And then wipe him down because he is so young. I do not want to use alcohol or acetone. I wouldn't recommend it. They put their fingers in their mouths. He puts his fingers in our mouths, heck. So just be careful with that. I did use Glow For Me Cosmetics hand sanitizer. We have it in liquid and gel form. And I went on ahead and added a light coat of our top coat, popped him in the lamp for a total of 60 seconds. Of course, it was probably like 5 to 10 seconds at a time. He was in a hurry. He had some work to do. You know, he's a hardworking, boss baby. He's very busy. But after which, I did use cuticle oil to soften up and add some moisture and hydration back to his little fingers. And then he was on his way. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe. Goodbye.